Hi guys, welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to show you a leaf guard for your downpipes if you're collecting rain and harvest water. This separates the water to flow down your downpipes and separating the leaves. This guard separates the leaves and make only the water to flow down your downpipes. This is how easy it is to clean it out. I'm only using one hand. You take out this mesh grit. You shake out the leaves or rinse it with water, and you can easily replace it back. You can see I'm just using one hand. And slide back the cover, and then it's ready for the next rain. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.
Roofing is fun. Na 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 na. Roofing is fun.
At Wayne's Roofing, we work hard to provide you with the high-quality service you need at a price you can afford. Our team of experts can help you with residential and commercial roofs and repair, and we're also available for emergency service in case you need us outside of normal business hours. Let us get to work for you. Call us today.
Roofing is fun.